Hello everyone, this is Jack Chen from Dongshi Motorcycle. Today I'm going to introduce you a very nice modified part for motorcycle. The driver backrest for Harley-Davidson. For easy installation and secure operation, the backrest receiver is mounted to the bottom of the seat pan. The height of the backrest is adjustable and it could tilt forward and easy to remove. And it could be folded forward and out of the way for the loading and unloading of passengers. And the cover is different from the similar products in the market. Our cover is the same as the original. It's made of UV-resistant PU leather, which is very strong and durable. The leather surface is very textured and the edge is very neat by using the double pressure shoring process. The rack of the backrest is made of Q235 cold rolled steel plate with strengthening treatment, and the other hardware and accessories are also with strengthening and hardened treatment as well, which are very durable. The hydraulic function allows you to adjust the angle of your back seat in 1 second by pressing the hydraulic switch and leaning back. And it will make your ride much more comfortable. And if you need to adjust the angle of your backrest, then just press the hydraulic switch again and you automatically rebound back to the original angle. In a word, our driver backrest features adjustable height and angle for maximum rider comfort and support, and is finely sculpted pad and durable cover perfectly match the overall style of the seat and will bring you a wonderful driving experience.